Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix custom class names not show in field in Ninja form in WordPress. So when we select field and display, you don't see any custom class name field. In advanced, you don't also see any field. So we are going to enable option. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So in custom class name field, you can add your custom CSS class name and then you can apply some CSS on form. So it's up to you. Now go to form setting. So we are in Ninja form and then we are in setting. In setting you see multiple options and then you see form builder, div mode, enable developer mode. We enable this option and then click on save setting. Now setting save, go to Ninja form builder again. Now refresh the page. Now you see first name, so click on it. Now you see more option, administration, advanced, display, restriction. So we see this option after enable div mode. Now click on display and then you see custom class name container element. So in this way you can enable this option both field. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.